Hi, this is Rakesh. I'm Digital Marketing Trainer, Naresh IT Institutions. So today we discuss about the how to download the Facebook videos. So a lot of members will be struggle how to download the Facebook videos. So now we discuss about that. I'm running with the one Facebook account. I have like one videos in my Facebook videos. How to download the Facebook videos? Just here, if anything, where you search in Facebook, I'm searching for Telugu comedy videos. I am searching here, just take any video here. I am playing this video now. So I have download this video using with which kind of software is very helpful for the make the video fast. So you just right click in this video. The option call is show video URL. Just copy this one. Now the option call is real player downloader. Is the fastest one we can download any videos using with the real player downloader. Just here the option call is download video from a web link. Just right click from video URL, click for download. No, searching for your video, the download for within a seconds. Now here just look, they take for the fraction of second download the any videos in Facebook. Not only for Telugu, any kind of video. Suppose you are browsing time, you like the one video. If you are download this video, we can take using for real play download. I can repeat the steps once again here. Not only this one, we can select by any one. I can select by here digital marketing. So I am clicking here. I am going to where call videos. If you know the any video patterns, if you know about the video pattern, just I can select any video here. So I am selecting any one. So Digital Marketing 2018, mute on, right click, show video URL. Now click this one, just copy. The option call is real play downloader. Now click this option. Now you can download here. So you have doubt, I am downloading for using real play download. Where will check? So here just go to the your computer. The option call is C drive. You can go to option call is users. Option call is client. The option call is videos. Just go to the real times, real downloaders. You can check the all videos here. Any kind of videos, if you download in Facebook, anything, we can capture by the C drive. The option call is users, client and videos and real player downloader videos. This is all nothing but real player downloads. If you need more logic about digital marketing and Facebook market, please join for Naresh IT. If you about the more information for we can using by YouTube channel Naresh IT and join for the class for Naresh IT institutions.